Tired of canned air? Imagine a tool so powerful, it could blow the dust right off the surface of the moon. We've got the Roedix compressed air duster, and trust me folks, it's nothing short of a game changer. With a turbocharged motor hitting speeds like a Ferrari, 300,000 revolutions per minute no less, this little beast sends dirt and debris fleeing for cover. Forget traditional compressed air cans. Welcome to the future. Scaling down that power is a breeze with its sleek sliding button, letting you handle the nitty-gritty as gently or fiercely as you like. Need to blow the crumbs out of your keyboard or dry off the car after a wash? No problem. You've got all the control at your fingertips. And speaking of freedom, this powerhouse recharges via USB-C. A full charge in just 3.5 hours, then unleash up to 180 minutes of dust-busting goodness on low settings. Yes, it's a bit of a battery guzzler at max power, but when raw power is within reach, who cares? It's not just practical, it's a pocket-sized dynamo at a featherweight 180 grams with a grip that feels like it was molded for a superhero. Slip it in a bag, take a world tour of dust destruction. Beyond cleaning, it's got a versatility resume more impressive than a secret agent. Electronics, car interiors, leaves, inflatables, and even a bit of pet grooming. Those dust monsters don't stand a chance. So what are you waiting for? You won't want to miss out on this beast's power and versatility. Click the link in the description to check it out and make your world dust-free.